Hey guys, this is Kyle Kelly from Kelly's Port taking you through our gas dock and sales dock down here at the lake. You've caught us on a weekend right now, which is kind of midday, which is a little bit quiet right now. They usually a little bit busier in the beginning areas and after areas. This is our sales dock right now. Looks a little bit sparse because we've had a pretty darn good year so far, so that's a good problem to have. New boats, some broker boats in there as well. And then you're walking down here to the docks. Nice thing about our docks, we've got these big padded inserts, so whenever folks come up, they do not have to toss out on their bumpers, which saves time. And then also we've got all these ropes down here tied up as well, which really makes things a lot easier getting down inside here. Big ice machine over here, and this is our big gas hut over here that you kind of come in. Just all the necessary stuff. You know, you got the maps, extra t-shirts, Regal t-shirts, Kelly's Port t-shirts, soda, beer, ice cream, my personal favorite, cleaning supplies, the whole 9 yards, sunglasses, just everything you need, quick and easy access, and a nice little area for boaters to come down and kind of pick up some stuff. We've got a ton of gas pumps. I forget what it is. I think we've got like 30-some gas pumps. We've got 3 different pump out stations, which is what you're looking at down here. We've also got these little jet ski ramps. So whenever folks pull up for PWCs, they can just access them real quick. I mean, the whole way this gas dock is set up is just for high inventory to really get the boats in and out. I mean, it's not uncommon for us to do 10 to 15 and even 20,000 gallons in a single weekend, which is pretty cool. Some more boats down here. Once again, a couple broker boats that we've got in here. Typically don't have too many broker boats in here, but we're just kind of light on new inventory, which I guess is a bad problem to have, with dock boxes. And then, you know, some beautiful Benningtons, some beautiful Bajas, all the good fun stuff down here. And some more of the gas dock girls down here. We're hard at work. Way to go, guys. Don't even say anything. Hi, Maria.
Hello.
And then more gas dock area in the back out here. Probably one of the most popular gas docks at Lake of the Ozarks, if not maybe even the Midwest. Real easy areas to kind of look out here. If you go out this channel and just to the left, that's where the main channel is. It's basically the corner of Main Street and Main Street at Lake of the Ozarks. Everybody else here, down here, hanging out, hard at work. And that's gas dock. We'll keep it on moving.